Hello everyone, and welcome to our new channel called
The Grind Duo.
Yeah, almost gonna forget that.
Almost.
Anyway, what is our channel about and who are we? Well, my name is Kirill. I'm Bulgarian, whatever you want to say. I'm from the Balkans, of course. Yeah.
That's why he got the Balkan name Kirill.
Kirill, yeah.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Robin. So basically, what we're going to talk about is self-improvement, like we said. What about self-improvement, grinding, and like focusing on things that actually matter. For example, your future, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so basically the point of this channel is for us to make videos for you guys to watch that are gonna be on the theme of self-improvement, going to the gym, fitness, like losing weight, being better, basically just improving your life in general. That's what we want to do. We want to help people and be entertaining and, I don't know, maybe meet some great people along the journey. That's the whole point of our channel.
Basically, the point of this channel is to grow a community that we can then later have interactions with, be together with, and help people. Our main goal is to help people. That's it. We want to help people.
The way this channel is going to work is, first of all, we're going to be 100% brutally honest. That means whatever goes to our mind, we're going to first analyze ourselves. So in order to help you, in order to educate you guys from our mistakes, so you don't guys do the same mistakes as us. When I mean brutally honest, don't you see guys like those a lot of self-improvement videos which they're like, yeah, use that shampoo, use that all of that stuff that doesn't even help you.
I wake up at 4 a.m. I get up, I do an ice cold bath, then I go to the gym, then I get out of the gym, then I work for 20 hours. It doesn't work like that, man.
Honestly,
it's too much, too pushed. I'm sorry. Too much for a beginner. Like, how can a person, let's say like some guy that doesn't go to the gym, skinny fat, doesn't look really good, doesn't have any confidence, introvert, how the hell is he gonna do all of this from the beginning? How? He can't. You can't. I'm honestly sick of these people that are just lying to you and trying to waste your time just buy their course or everything. Our point here is to be pure, 100%
honest,
real and honest with you. We live in a really economically bad country, in Bulgaria. This country is almost the worst place you could be in, and you can't struggle in a better country, for example, like America, as much as we do.
By that, I only meant money-wise. Our country is absolutely beautiful, and I'm not gonna leave it just for money. I'm gonna try to get better here with my friend.
So if we can do something, then we can tell you what it is, and you can definitely do it. Like, almost every country is better than Bulgaria, so if we can do it, you can do it.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I like the way you said I almost, because
I mean, there's a little bit worse countries.
There are going to be a lot of people who's going to be mad. That's part of YouTube.
I mean, that's part of YouTube.
Yeah, that's part of
hate is a thing.
That's part of
hate is a
YouTube.
thing.
Yeah.
This video is also going to be cringe. It's going to be terrible. It's going to be our first video, of course.
That's our first video.
The camera is even bad.
Yeah, the camera
doesn't matter.
We're using some Android phone with 1080 30 FPS.
It's not bad.
It's your phone. I won't disrespect your phone. My phone is even worse. I don't even have a phone. My phone is broken. So yeah, eventually we're going to upgrade. After this video, like every single video, we're going to try to improve our friendship first of all, because without our friendship, there's no fucking channel.
Of course,
there's no grind duo. If you are grinding,
we ain't grinding. We ain't.
Exactly.
Of course.
Second of all, we gotta grind, because after we grind, we gotta teach you guys.
Of course, yeah. That's the whole thing. We have to grind the channel.
Exactly.
We need to get better. We have to, we're gonna fucking fund everything. We're gonna buy lights. We're gonna buy a better camera, a better stand.
Soon enough.
As soon as we can, we're gonna get better with everything we do. I'm not the best, of course, but I'm pretty good at editing. I'm gonna improve with my editing every time. He's gonna improve with his editing every time because he can also edit really well. We're trying to get better. The whole thing is we need to document our journey on YouTube so you guys can see, be inspired by us, and get better.
Don't get us for some entitled pricks that just try to look better than everybody else. No, we're all equal. We're just trying to get better ourselves. We need to improve in order to then later help other people improve too. And that's the whole point. If we improve, we can help you improve. If you haven't already, if you have or you are, I'm glad and I'm very happy that you are. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. That's pretty much all I had to say.
There's like 3 or 4 creators, I'm not gonna name them, but there's not a lot of them that are honest 100%. A lot of them lie at least 30% of the time. and it's not a good thing. And they mislead you, and I know that's terrible. So what we're gonna try to do is kind of just fund every penny from this channel just goes back into the channel, and we're gonna get better. We want to be content creators. That we want to do. It might be cringe. Whoever is watching and wants to make fun of us, I don't give a I'm gonna blur that out. I don't give a
The third thing we're going to talk about is gym. So about gym, basically I was those skinny fat Indians. I was a part of those. Like when I was 4th grade, I was like almost 60 or 70 kg, and I almost had diabetes.
Oh,
Yeah. It was kind of scary.
It was scary, yeah. It's not good.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have diabetes.
I don't have diabetes.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Yeah. And I just want to say to the people who want to go to the gym, don't be shy. Just make friends. If that's hard for you, we're going to make a video about that.
Of course, yeah. That's self-improvement.
Yeah, that's a self-improvement video.
Both of them.
After you make friends, the way I started the gym was like I made friends, and they were like a lot of like they were really into the gym. The closer the relationship goes, the closer you guys get, the similar activities you're going to have. For example, he loves to edit.
Yeah.
And I
love that.
I honestly get inspired by him. So I just asked him like, how do you edit? What software do you use? And slowly but surely, I'm editing also. And second of all, look at us. We're kind of jacked if you don't see.
Fuck yeah,
For
yeah.
our age, we're pretty fucking
He was
jacked.
trying to do that like as other thing. He tried to like not he. We tried to make a business before this. We have some experience in that sphere. That inspired me to try and do that again. So we're gonna have that going on in the future. We're gonna improve in that too, because you know you gotta make a living.
We're the grindos, boys. Just expect us grinding and telling you our mistakes and our results.
We're gonna share our mistakes. We're gonna share everything that goes on. We're gonna document our journey pretty much, and also help you the way we can. Let's say, for example, one day we have some problem going on. We get that problem, we're upset about it, then we fix it, and then we're like, oh,
That was pretty simple.
that was simple, yeah.
Yeah.
So then we make a video about it. So you can
Exactly,
fix that
yeah.
problem if you do have it. So what we're trying to do is we want to be authentic. We don't want to be like everybody that's trying to fucking be a guru on YouTube or anywhere else. We don't want to lie to you. We don't want to make up stuff just for the sake of views. We want to be real. We want to show you the real world, because a lot of people don't know what the real world is. A lot of people, let me finish.
I'm sorry, the Western world, you know what I mean?
Most of it, yeah. I don't want to insult anybody, but a lot of
Yeah.
people there are 30 and they don't know how to fucking boot up a washing machine, bro. That's
Good up? You mean like use the washing machine?
same stuff. Don't know how to wash dishes. Don't know how to live.
yeah.
They live with their parents, not because they. I mean, sometimes they have to, but still, they don't try to be better. A lot of people don't try to be better, and we want those people and you to be better, to try to be better. That's what everything's about. Evolution and everything has led us to be better, to the point of being better.
Exactly.
That's it.
yeah. Second of all, what I want to add up is, in order to better yourself, you gotta be positive with yourself.
Exactly,
And
yeah.
what I see about you guys, most of you guys f***ing hate yourself. And we gotta fix that, honestly.
You should, yeah. You should be more positive. Well, not only with yourself, but with other people.
Yeah,
You want to
yeah,
make other people smile. You want to be...
Exactly.
Like, every time I see him, I smile, because he smiles.
Yeah.
Because he's positive as hell. He's my most positive friend, if I gotta say something. But,
Thank you for the compliment.
but you are. That's like the truth. You're like, bro, you gotta be more positive. You gotta be more smiling. It doesn't matter the best, whatever situation you're in.
Exactly,
We're not in the
bro.
best situation either. We're gonna talk about
Guys.
that later.
And eventually, we're going to show you how we we go through our journey. And
Yeah.
after years, I can't wait, bro. After
I can't
years,
wait either.
yeah, after years, we're just going to look back at that video and we're going to be so fucking proud of us.
Maybe holy shit. we were there.
Oh my god.
So get it, bro. Get it. Get it together. We gotta get it together.
We gotta. We're the grinding those, you know?
Exactly, yeah. So we were gonna improve the camera equipment, the lighting, the everything.
Yeah.
Just give us time. We're gonna improve the editing. We're gonna improve the acting before camera, better angles,
Acting before the
everything.
camera.
Because I've never acted before camera. I've done a lot of videos, but I was
But
gaming.
he-
I was gaming, no face cam, no nothing.
Yeah,
I'm not
exactly.
used to being in front of camera.
Same,
I don't look good. I know I
same.
look fucking bad.
No, you don't.
He also thinks he does. No, I know.
I'm just black.
You don't think? No, yeah, you are. But that's not bad though.
All we're going to do in this channel is we're going to be 100% honest, authentic, and third of all, this channel is going to be for self-improvement, for gym, and whatever comes to our mind.
Yeah, we want to do a lot of fitness, a lot of gym.
Exactly.
We're gonna show you different exercises for those
If
who
we
know.
need to,
Those who
yeah.
don't know. If we no,
we're
just gonna do it.
Yeah, we're going to.
Someone might need that.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you every exercise, every muscle, how to move it, how it works, how to eat properly.
Don't forget.
We're gonna learn how to do that, and then we're gonna tell you how to do it.
Exactly.
We're gonna teach you if you don't know. If you do know well, I'm proud of you, and that's great.
Yeah.
That's great that you can.
The positivity though.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah. But like, if you know how to do those things, well then, there's no point in watching us. If you want to watch us too, yeah. Well,
No. They're going to watch it for the self-improvement part. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Gym is not everything, guys. Gym is not everything.
But let's say something. We don't think we're better than you. Let's say that. Because a lot of people are going to be like, oh, these douchebags, they think they're better than me. They think they're on top. No. We have a lot of flaws ourselves. We're people.
Yeah, we're people.
We're people.
Humans.
We gotta be honest.
Yeah, honestly.
But stuff happens, you know. Sorry.
That goes.
Stuff happens. And most people, no, not most people, but a lot of people are worse than other people, or just don't know as much as other people, or they're just down, they just feel down, they're depressed, they're sad, they don't know what to do, and there's guys like us who are trying to fix people like that. We're trying to help.
We're trying to help you guys.
Not that anybody asked, but we want to help. So, hey, if you ask to know, I don't give a f. I want to help you, and that's all that matters. So, yeah, you can say anything. We can go off. That's about a video.
I mean, I just want to say is that if you're going to be one of our haters, welcome to the fucking channel. What I wanted to say is like if you started hating us, yeah, thank you first of all, because that's going to be my motivation and his probably.
Yeah.
Like if you have a problem with the video camera, we're going to change it. If you have a problem with the lightning, we're going to change it.
For now we can't.
Yeah, we can't right now.
I mean, it is what it
But
is.
we're grinding duels, and eventually we're going to get better.
Yeah, we need to get better, man.
We will get better.
We need to get better.
And if you started hating us, honestly, we don't mind. Hate us, love us. We're going to be.
We're gonna do the same thing. That's not gonna change anything.
It won't
I mean,
change.
hating is only gonna make us better. So
Exactly,
hate
yeah.
me. I want to be better. Because yeah.
That's
Yeah.
my mindset. He stole my mindset.
Yeah, I'm sorry, bro.
It's okay.
You want me to give it back? I can give it back.
I don't need. I have this. I have it already.
Oh, we're sharing it. Yeah.
You will share.
I get it.
That's why you're duels, though.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
Yeah.
So that's about
Okay.
it.
That's about it.
Yo, you miss me, bro. You miss me. Don't miss me. And that's about it, guys.
Okay, guys.
You know, feel better, be better, and live more. That's our motto.
Yeah, guys.
You gotta accept it.
Yeah, guys. Live more. So, peace.
See ya.